Does your couch sag like ours does? It looks comfortable, but it's not. Underneath, you can see the springs that stick out through the material. And if you don't want to buy a new couch like we don't, I suggest investing in a Ben'sHome sofa cushion support. It's available in a variety of sizes. Ours is the 67-inch in length, and it's very easy to use. It comes with instructions, but all you do basically is unfold it and lay it under the cushions over those springs. Ours fits the length of our couch perfectly, and the boards are thick and very solid and covered in a strong, grippy canvas material, and it's very well stitched. We replaced the cushions and sat down and felt an immediate difference. No more sinking and slouching. And as a bonus, it comes with a lifetime warranty.